Good morning, children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do exercise 9.1 from chapter 9 rational number. Today question number 7. In question number 7, rewrite the following rational numbers in the simplest form. You know that simplest form means you have to cancel if it is possible. So in question number 1, say it is minus 8 by 6. In question number 1, we are writing the number again in question number 8 by 6. In question number 1, it is sum is 8 by 6. 8 minus 8 by 6. And you can see that both the numbers are even numbers. So you can cancel it by 2. 4 is 3 is now it is not possible to reduce uh, again, so it is the number is minus 4 by 3. This is the simplest form. Next question is minus 25 by 45. So as it is 25 by 45 and you know that both the numbers can be divisible, you can divide by 25, you can divide by 5, 25 and 45. So be careful whenever you are giving the sign, it is in the numerator, it is negative. So 5 5s are 5 9s are, and you know that 5 and 9 there is no common factor, so you are not able to divide it again. So minus 5 by 9 is the answer. Next question is question number 3. It is 44 by 22. Both are even numbers, so you can do question number 3 in this way: minus 44 by 72. You can divide it by 2, so 22 by 36. Again you can divide it by 2, 2 11s are, 2 18s are. Now it is your cancellation is over, and this is the simplest form of this number. It is minus 11 by 18. Understood? Now next question is question number 8. Fill in the boxes with correct symbols out of greater than, equal to or less than. When you have to compare two rational numbers, what you will do, first of all you have to uh, take concentration there, keep your concentration that the numbers are in a standard form or not. What is standard form of rational number? You have to check that the denominator, if the denominator is negative, then you have to take the negative sign in the numerator by multiplying both numerator and denominator by minus 1. It is a standard form of rational number. Here there is no problem. Here numerator is minus 5 by 7 and here completely positive sign, positive rational number. By saying this you can easily say that till that it is minus 7 by minus 5 by 7 is greater than is less than 2 by 3, because it is positive and it is negative. Positive number is always greater than the negative number. But if you want to show the working also, you can do the working. Working of this is, say minus 5, first step is you will multiply the numerator of the first one with the denominator of the second one. So what you will do, you will multiply this and this, so that you will multiply these two. So what you will get, minus 5 into 3, and you will get minus 15. And second, in the second part of this sum, what you will do, 7 2 into 7, that is 14, positive 14. Before only I have told you that it is as it is a negative number, so it will be the less and it is greater, it is smallest, smaller than this positive number. But the working also, if you want to show the working for this number only, we can say that this is smaller and this is greater. But another sum we have to show this working, that's why I have shown working here also. As it is less, so you can put less than sign. Next sum is minus 7 by 8 and 14 by 16. First of all, you start working here. Minus 7 by 8 and put the box here. 14 by minus 16. 14 by minus 16, when you are writing this, you can see that you can cancel it in the simplest form also. So to make this simplest form, 7 2s are 14, 8 2s are 16. So the number become minus 7 by 8, and you have to take it is in a standard form also, as you know that in the standard form of the number, the negative sign we have to take in the numerator. So it was 7 by minus 8, you know, and if we multiply both numerator and denominator by minus 1, so that I can take we can make the denominator positive, then we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by minus 1. This is a long way, so you can do directly also. What you can do, minus sign you can take in the numerator first from the denominator. Now you can see that this is also minus 7 by 8, this is also minus 7 by 8. So both the numbers are same, so they are equal. Here the main part is you have to make the rational number in a standard form. Standard form means denominator should be negative free. You need to multiply both numerator and denominator with minus 1 to get numerator positive and denominator positive and numerator negative. Understood? Next question is question number 5. It is 1 by minus 3 and minus 1 by 4. As you know that denominator is negative and it is not in standard form, so you have to take the negative sign in the numerator by multiplying both numerator and denominator by minus 1, and we can do this directly only. So working for this one, minus 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 4. So if you want to do the cross multiplication, you can do, but it is very clearly you can see that minus 1 here divided by 3 times and minus 1 here divided by 4 times. So see, you do this cross multiplication, minus 1 into 4 equal to minus 4, and minus 1 into 3 equal to minus 3. And you know that in case of negative numbers, where the digit is larger, then actually the sum number is smaller, because in the negative it is more negative, more left side than the minus 4 is left side than minus 3. So minus 4 is smaller. So which one I have get minus 3? This one. So this is greater than this. So sorry, minus 4, I have done it wrong. Minus 4 is for this one. Minus 4 is for the first one. So first one is minus 4 and second one is minus 3. I know that we all know that minus 3 is larger than minus 4. So that means this one is greater than this one. Come to the next number. It is 0 and minus 7 by 6. As it is 0 and minus 7 by 6, you know that this is a negative number and this is a whole number, 0. So which one is more left side? Without working also you can say that this one is smaller. But if you want to do the working, you can show working also. 0 into 6, 0 into 6, that means this one into this one, it is actually 0 again, and minus 1 into 1 into minus 7, and you are getting minus 7. Now you say 0 and minus 7, which one is greater? So 0 is greater here, so this one is greater. Question number 9. Which is greater in each of the following? See, the question is same as we have done in question number 8. Here also we are getting two rational numbers, pair of rational numbers, where you have to check that which one is greater. And you can do this by cross multiplication again. So first number is 2 by 3 and 5 by 2. So you will cross multiply this into this and this into this. In this way you can complete the sum as we have done. In the same way we have multiplied numerator and denominator of the first one, first numerator and second denominator, then first numerator and second denominator. Both are positive numbers, so we have to concentrate on the number only now. In the first denominator is 4 and first numerator is 4, second numerator is 15. So 15 is greater, so 15 comes for this number, second one, so 5 by 2 is greater. In the same way, some numbers we have to concentrate on the negative sign also. Here 5 into minus 3 minus 15 and 6 into minus 4 minus 25 minus 24. And you know that minus 24 is less than minus 15. So minus 15 is coming for minus 5 by 6. So minus 5 by 6 is greater. In the same way, we have to here another rational number is there where denominator is negative. First of all, you make the denominator positive. After that, it is become minus 2 by 3. Again you multiply numerator and denominator. 3 minus 3 into 3 minus 9 and minus 2 into 4 minus 8. Again you can see that minus 9 is less than minus 8. So you can write in this way also, as minus 8 is greater than minus 9. So so 2 by minus 3. As why it is 2 by minus 3? Because in the question it is given 2 by minus 3. So you will write 2 by minus 3 is greater. The same number, same way you can see that 3 2 minus 3 2 by 7 minus 3 4 by 5. The numbers are you have to make it a simple fraction to mixed fraction to improper fraction, then do this working. By this working you can see that it is minus 115 and it is minus 133. As it is less number, because it is as a number it is greater and negative sign, so this is less than minus 115 is more than minus 133. So minus 3 2 by 7 is greater. I hope whatever we have explained today is very clear for you, and practice it. Thank you, students.